Hey y'all, so I'm making shrimp tacos today, and basically what I did was I took some shrimp, I cleaned it, they were already deveined, and I basically took the shells off. And then I just cut them up into small pieces. And I took some white onions and I also cut them up into small pieces like you see in the video. And I also cut up some tomatoes and cilantros. I didn't get that on video, but here's a picture of how it should look. And then all I did was add those three ingredients into a hot skillet with grease in it. And I just let it cook like that. And I just basically mix it up until it cooks to my liking. You can do it to whatever liking you want. Next, this is how exactly it should look. It should look somewhat like that. And then I added the shrimp in it as well. Y'all, this looks so good. Like, when I was making it, I was ready for it to be done. Like, oh my god. And so basically what I did is I just mixed it up. And I will show you how it will look when it's mixed up later in the video. So this is how it should look. See, this is just sizzling. It looks so good. And then here's a picture of when it's all mixed up and cooked and done. And so next I made some guac. So I'm just going to take some avocados. And I cut up some cilantro right there. And I'll be cutting up some onions and tomatoes as well. And I'm just going to add it to a bowl like so. And basically what I'm going to do, once I add it all to a bowl, you're going to end up mashing it like so. So you can use a spoon, you can use any type of tool that you want. So now I made homemade tortillas. So, I mean, not tortillas, taco shells, my bad. So basically I just put in a skillet with some hot grease. I placed it along and I folded it, and basically it made into a shape of a taco shell. It's pretty easy, but I got this recipe from Kylie Jenner and Karruche. So if you want to get better like instructions on how to do it, you can look it up on there. It's just shrimp tacos. It's so good, y'all. And so here's just a video of all the ones that I made. That's the shrimp, and then I also cut up some chicken. And voila, there you go, shrimp tacos. Thank you guys for watching.